There are few days that go by where parents with newborn babies and growing toddlers aren't lugging around all the little essentials their child needs to stay clean, calm, and happy. That's why we created a gender-neutral diaper caddy that provides you with more space, more accessible pockets, and all the little extras you need to stay organized no matter where your day together might lead. The StarHug Diaper Caddy features a durable T-divider for customizable storage, 2 inner pockets, and far more room to store all your baby's changing essentials within reach. Designed with a high-quality cotton robe exterior and with easily cleanable polyester lining on the inside, this versatile diaper caddy not only helps you better organize a nursery or personal space, it's compact and lightweight enough that you can take it in the car, a stroller, or to Grandma's house. Organizing your baby's life has never been easier than with a premium StarHug diaper caddy.
Moms and dads know that when you are raising a child, all of your focus goes to tending to their needs. So everything else becomes secondary, like keeping the nursery and house organized. Introducing the Diaper Caddy by Kia Babies. Finally, a way for parents to stay organized while tending to their babies. This caddy is completely modular, meaning it's able to take any form necessary to fit your lifestyle. So parents can choose to have a wide compartment space for their things, or separate them into individual compartments for things like diapers, powder, wipes, pacifiers, and more. It's built from soft felt, which makes it lightweight and easy to carry, even with a lot of items packed in. And unlike other diaper caddies, every item is completely accessible and easy to grab at a moment's notice. So you can take it wherever you go, whether that's short runs to the grocery store or long road trips in the car. And once they've outgrown it, the caddy makes for a great way to store and display arts and crafts. Plus, it works great for a baby shower gift since you can easily bundle other gifts inside. Pick from an assortment of colors to fit the style that most suits your nursery's theme. Keep you and your baby organized and prepared, whether you're at home or far, far away, with the Diaper Caddy by Kia Babies.